Grant Binford from Luverne, Minnesota. I farm with my brother Eric, his family, and he handles the crop side of things, and I am in charge of the livestock. We have feedlot capacity for about 6,500 head, about an even split between bed pack buildings and slatted floor buildings. We built first barn in 2012, and about 3 years later we followed with a second barn. When we built the second barn, we had made a decision that we needed to look at putting rubber in. And like everybody else, we were hesitant because of cost until we started to find out all the different companies selling rubber, trying to pick, was that the right decision? We actually bought 4 pens of a competitor rubber. We have noticed the cattle were dirtier on those mats. There's not as much opening in the mats for the manure to pass through. Definitely in the winter time, the cattle are a little wetter and dirtier, and we get more of a buildup during a cold spell on those mats compared to the EASYFIX mats. And it's a part of that cleanliness factor. Our bedding barns compared to our slat barns, we'll see a % difference in dressing percentage on the slats. We have noticed performance advantage to that rubber over the non-rubbered slat. It's been a solid 0.2 day performance difference. So, you know, that number alone, if you figure 350-day occupancy at 0.2 is 70 pounds times your market price. You know, it doesn't take very long to pay for the rubber, let alone your increase in reducing your slows and injury issues on those cattle. And I think this is another factor that shows how comfortable they are moving around in these facilities. It's as close to dirt and grass from a cushion and that we can offer the cattle. And I guess that somewhat proved to us that we had made the right decision the first time around to spend a little bit premium money for the EASYFIX product. So we chose to cover the last pens in the first barn with that product a year ago in 2017. It's definitely a need to put rubber, in my opinion, on these slatted facilities that are becoming popular. It's just a question of which company. We made the right decision to go with EASYFIX.